Come test drive the 2022 X7. The BMW X7 is sure to excite those looking for a full-size BMW SUV. Third-row seating, coupled with the latest technology and upscale interior features, make this a must-see for anyone looking for a luxury SUV vehicle. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, M Sport package, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.